Hi everyone, this is Vishal Khan and today we will talk about the SQL functions. So actually we have two types of SQL functions, single row functions and multiple row functions. Single row function means return one result per row, mean one input, one output. While multiple row functions mean what? Return one result per set of rows. It means multiple rows or multiple inputs and one output. So we have different types of single row functions. The first one is the character functions, and character functions are further divided into case conversion functions. The case conversion functions contain the following three sub-functions: lower, upper and init cap. Each function have their desired use and applications. So let's see the use of each function. So just copy this query and paste it here. So let's see here, the lower function convert all the employee name into the lower order, while the upper function convert all the employee name into the upper case, while the initial cap function convert all the employee name into the initial capital. Initial capital mean the first character is in the upper case while the remaining are in the lower case. So these three functions are called case conversion function. And what's the basic or the core use of these three functions? So let's see the scenario. For example, I need all those employee record whose job is manager. Oh, sorry. Here, this is department number, not DPT. So just paste it, sorry. So here it no row selected, but actually we have select ename comma job from EMP. So actually we have three managers. Let's see here, one is John, one is Blake and another is Clark. But our query returned no row selected because the value of the manager of job column is in the upper case, and here I use the lower case, so that's why it didn't return any row. So what you will do, if I use, for example, all in the lower case, for example, if you don't know in which order the values are stored inside the job column. So for example, if I use this, so it will also return the same result, mean no row selected. Let's see it. So to avoid yourself from these kind of issues, just use a function to avoid these kind of issues. So to avoid yourself from this kind of issues, you can use the case conversion functions, and you will get the desired results. How you will use it? It's very easy. For example, here if I use lower function job, so here I use the lower function, so my value must be is in the lower order. So now I will return the desired result. Our query will return what? The desired result. Let's see here, manager, because this lower function here convert the job values are by default is in the upper case, so the lower function convert it into the lower order, and here it is also is in the lower case, so the condition become true. So that's why I told you that here if you use the upper function, so your value must be is in the upper case. For example, let's see it. If I use here upper, so here the value must be is in the upper case, because the job of the upper case is to convert the value into the upper characters. So let's see, we get the results. So now it depends on you which function you want to use it. So by using these three functions, you can easily get your desired result, and you will not face any kind of problem or issues as we have seen earlier. The second thing is the use of this is, let's see, I want to insert a value, insert into AMP, for example employee number comma ename values, let's see it 1122 employee number, and I enter the name like this, for example J is in lower, A is in uppercase, V is in uppercase, E D, like this. One row, create it, commit it. Now let's check it, select ename from AMP. So here no, where is the Javed? Let's see here. So now Javed store is in this order. Some character is in lowercase while some character is in uppercase. Now how you will retrieve the Javed record? Because it is very difficult to memorize these kind of data or order. So what you will do? For example, if you want to retrieve the Javed record, so which query you will use it? Select ename or just write select star, no problem. From AMP where ename equal to what? Javed. First I use uppercase. So let's see, no row selected, but actually I have it. So actually we have three possible cases. The first one is in the uppercase, while the second one is the lowercase Javed. The same result we will retrieve, mean no row selected. Okay, the third order is init cap, but still we will not get any result. Why? Because Javed is stored is in the mix order, mean combination of upper and lower. So how you will retrieve the Javed record? So it's very easy, just use any function, upper, lower or init cap. So for example here if I use init cap function ename, so no, it will convert the Javed name into the initial capital, mean J will become is in the uppercase and the rest will be is in the lowercase, and the condition will become true and we will get the Javed information. Now let's see, we get it. Actually Javed is stored is in this order, that's why we didn't get the Javed data by using the uppercase, lowercase or init cap. By using the functions, these three functions, for example init cap, upper, so here no, you must use the name is in the uppercase, otherwise you will not get your desired result. So no, in this case also we will get the Javed record. Let's see it. And if I use the lower, so here use all the character of Javed is in the lower order, so we will get our desired. So now it depends on you which function you want to use it, you can use it. So if you people like my videos, kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Bye bye, see you.